How do you find stocks that are in a squeeze in Thinkorswim? In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a scan so you can easily find stocks that are in a squeeze. Hello and welcome back. I'm Dr.B with Ready, Set, Grow. On this channel, my goal is to share tips to help you on your financial and trading journey. If you're new here, like and subscribe. Leave a comment below saying you subscribed for a chance to win a copy of my 2021 Day Trading Planner. Also check the description for the scripts that I'm going to be using in this video. We will be selecting the Scan tab in Thinkorswim and setting up our scan here. The first step is to click on this drop-down menu, select Load Scan, and go down to where it says Create Scan. Select Create Scan. This is where we're going to start adding the details to the scan that we're going to create. First thing we need to do is name our scan. Name it something you will remember, something that will help you easily identify what the scan does. I'm going to call mine the 5-dot squeeze scan. The next thing I like to do is let the scan know that I'm only interested in stocks that have options. So click on Scan In, select Category, and go down to All Optionable. I like to intersect with weeklies because these typically have more volume. We're going to click in Intersect With. We're going to go down to Public RW and we're going to move over to weeklies. Now there are some default filters that are already added. I'm going to delete those because I don't need them. Of course, if you want to keep those filters and add them, that's fine, but I don't need them. Now let's add the squeeze study. We want to scan for stocks that have at least a 5-dot squeeze. 5 dots just ensures the stock has been consolidating for some time. You can change this to any dot that you want, but I like to look for stocks that have 5 or more dots, and that's what I'm doing in this video. To add this, click on Add Filter. We go to Study. From Study, we're going to click in where it says ADX Crossover and go to Custom. Custom lets you add different scripts. We're going to select the Think Script Editor, delete what's already there, and paste in the script. The script is located in the description, so all you have to do is copy it and paste it into the Think Script Editor. And this code is telling the scan to look for stocks that are in a squeeze for at least 5 dots. You also want to select the time frame that you are comfortable trading on. I will leave mine to daily because that's the time frame I usually trade on. However, you can select the 1 hour, 2 hour, or any of the smaller time frames, but make sure you deselect include extended hours if you're using the smaller time frames. Make sure that the extended hours are turned off in the settings. I'm going back to daily and there's no need to click extended hours here because it's not even offered. Select OK. Now I've added the script that lets the scanner know to scan for squeezes of at least 5 dots. You can add any additional filters that you like. You can add volume, you can add price. For me, I like to add average true range. I like to trade stocks that have at least an average true range of $2 a day. So I'm going to repeat the same process to add average true range to this scan. Add filter, study, custom, Think Script Editor, and you will paste in the script. The script is located in the description. I'm going to type it here. ATR is greater than or equal to $2. Again, I'm going to keep mine on daily so that it aligns to the script I just added. Press OK. And now I have 2 custom items for my scan. Once you're done adding the filters to narrow down your scan, press Save. Now we have our scan. Now I'm going to open the scan by clicking on this drop-down menu, Load Scan, Personal, and I named mine 5-dot squeeze scan. And there you have it. Once you hit scan, we have 51 results. This lets me know that every ticker here is in at least a 5-dot squeeze or more. You can go through these charts, you can add more filters to narrow it down a bit, but this is the basics of how to look for squeezes that are in at least a 5-dot squeeze. So let's look at a couple of the charts to make sure the results are accurate. The first ticker that came up in our scan was AAPL, Apple. And if you look at the regular squeeze right here, you can see that it is in at least a 5-dot squeeze. Another ticker that showed up on the scan was ADSK, and ADSK is in a 5-dot squeeze. So it is pulling the correct tickers that are in a 5-dot squeeze. Back to our scan, you can also save as a watch list, and you can have this alert you when the scan results change to let you know when another ticker has been added. To learn more about trading this indicator, check out my previous videos. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below and I'll be sure to respond. Don't forget to let me know you subscribed in the comments. Next week's video, I'm going to show you all how to set up a Squeeze histogram watch list column. So make sure you check back. If you're looking for an active trading community with an impeccable track record for high quality alerts, check out my Discord server. The subscription fee is usually made with 1 or 2 alerts. That's going to be linked in the description as well. Thank you for watching. See you next week.